Okay guys, I'm going to try to do this pretty quick. I turned the AC off, putting this mic a little closer where you can kind of hear me. Okay, you're hearing a little bit of noise there. That's one thing right off the bat. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. I'm using Super Clean, which has maybe a little bit of chorus or something in it. I don't think that it matters on these tone differences things, as long as you don't touch the volume, tone, anything, because I'm going to leave it on a clean setting like this. So swapping the guitars, you'll hear the difference that way. If I go to some just really raw sound, which is very hard to do unless I bypass everything, I don't find that appealing at all for review. I want the guitar to sound at least half decent, because I'm going through a processor is what I'm trying to say, and speakers. So I don't have an amp really per se, except for the Vox down here. That will require more time. So work with me guys, I'm not a pro. But these are two fantastic guitars. If you find yourself wondering, two different things here. Do you want to upgrade your ceramic pickups that come in your Mexican, your Squire, or your Made in Mexico? This is a Made in Mexico FSR, okay? Fender Strat, 2017 December. It's the Gilmore vibe, okay? A little quick overview here. You guys have probably seen these before, this is my baby. I named it Annie. It has a big story behind it. One day I'll do an autobiography of why I'm in a camper today playing a guitar. Okay, and then next we'll have you'll see the next one. It's going to be the magnificent Classic Vibes 60s three-tone sunburst 2015 with Made in Mexico Player Series loaded pickguard. Okay, so we're going to get a different. We're going to see what the differences are. Not by guitar, of course, you can't feel it. But you'll hear the difference of the pickups, okay? So I think this is perfect. The only difference, again, of course, I don't have maple neck on there. Okay, so people are going to probably think and say things. I don't know. I don't know. All I know is we're just going to compare these two, and I hope you guys, it helps someone, okay? All right, here we go. Bridge. I'm leaving everything on 10. That's just how I'm going to do it. You get to keep it fair, okay? Sweetness. Hey, volume's the same. I haven't touched anything. Put all these on 10. Bridge, okay? Sweetness, okay? Now, one, two, bang, here we are. So now here, bingo. All right. Middle. I think we're on neck now, right? I hope. Alright. Okay. Gotta do neck on this one, right? Yeah, okay. Gotta do the neck on this one. Okay, now we'll do a little bit of drive tones or whatever. Oh, that wasn't a little, was it? And some delay. Alright. Turn this down a little bit. Because this guitar can feedback sometimes. So, bridge. Leave it bridge, okay. Guys, I did this before, and I forgot to record the neck, and that video was an hour long, so I'm trying to do this quicker. Just turning the main volume down a little bit. Okay, so bridge, bridge. Now, everything on 10. I had the button off on this processor, I forgot, so it was sounding like crap, the tones, but they're both equally sounding like crap through that, because that was the pedal, so I fixed it just now. Middle. Forgot to be doing this. Got to be driving something. I got to be driving something. I got to be driving middle. Okay. Bam-a-lam, white Betty, bam-a-lam. Did I forget to hit record? I bet you I did. I did that last time. Okay, middle, okay. Wham-a-lam, black Betty, wham-a-lam. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Alright, take him a care. I take him a wheel and we go up here. Now guys, I love this guitar, but once I only really want one Strat, maybe two, which I've got these here. So I really want a PRS too. I don't know what I'm doing. Never mind. I want a PRS, but I think I want, what I want is like an Ocean Machine reverb delay kind of thing. Something that the sky's the limit. So everybody keeps saying I probably need to get a Strymon Time Live or whatever, one of them reverb things, whatever, where I can get those killer swells where I can mix them, I can make my own, something like that, or actually something like that Roland G55 synth thing. I could make pads and then use all that. I don't know. I'm just into creating atmospheric music and then really pretty blues solos over it. Think of Marooned, okay, by Pink Floyd. That's the stuff there, man. That's the hot sauce on the taco. Okay, guys. I hope you're all safe. I hope you're all doing well. Come here, Rue. Cha-cha. Come on. And Rue would like to say thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you, everybody. I'm the Rue. Say your name, Rue. You gotta say goodbye, Bob. Make everybody feel better, Rue. You gotta make them all feel better, Rue. They got the coronavirus out there, and you gotta make them say when the Rue he say his name. Rue. All right, guys. Peace. I got them all. You guys take care. I hope you enjoyed. If you got any questions, leave in the comments. If you'd like to hear the bio story, why I'm here, whatever like that, leave in the comment section. If you've heard a difference in the tones, if this turned out clear enough to understand, it's not too loud or rambly or whatever. You know, I'm using a smartphone for all this. Just leave it in the comments, however you feel. Hope you're all great. Wear your gloves, your mask, whatever. Clean yourself up. Don't go anywhere unless you got to get food. If you get food, wipe it down. Just be safe, guys. Common sense. Much love. Peace.